Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we can scroll to find personalization. Then let's scroll down to find some online wallpapers or system wallpapers. So it's totally up to you. Those are pre-installed, and here we've got online wallpapers. So of course we need the internet connection to be able to choose something from those options. So let me find something in online wallpapers, because here we've got a lot of beautiful options, beautiful categories from which we can choose. Just give it a second to load. Hopefully it will work. We can of course enter, for example, top 200 and check those which are the most chosen. They are quite nice, I believe. So maybe let's choose this cat. After tapping on the specific wallpaper, we will see it on the full screen. We can also change the position of it. So just position it like you want to, and then tap on apply in the right upper corner. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will choose both options. So let me tap on it. If you want to, you can turn on the carousel. I don't want to do it, so just don't agree. It's up to you. Let's go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.